Did you know that most adults only have between 1 and 4 close friends? How can trauma either strengthen or shatter the bonds of friendship? Is it ever wise to mix friendship with business? Let's delve into the fascinating world of female friendships, exploring what truly makes these connections thrive. We'll navigate the nuances of closeness, boundaries, and the evolving nature of these vital relationships. Friendship trivia can be surprisingly revealing. While many believe they have a wide circle of close confidants, research often shows a smaller, more intimate reality. The challenge, of course, lies in defining what constitutes a close friend. Is it someone you see every day, or someone you can pick up with seamlessly after months apart? It seems that love languages extend beyond romantic relationships. Just as we express affection differently in love, friends also have unique ways of showing they care. This can lead to misunderstandings, especially when busy schedules make quality time difficult. Open communication is essential to bridge these gaps. The question then becomes, what kind of friend are you? Are you conscious of how your actions impact those closest to you? Social media can be a double-edged sword, either strengthening bonds through thoughtful gestures or causing unintentional neglect through the ease of digital communication. Intentionality is key, making a conscious effort to nurture friendships amidst the chaos of life. Healthy friendships allow for lapses in communication without causing insecurity. The ability to pick up where you left off speaks volumes about the depth of the connection. It shows confidence in the relationship and eliminates the need for constant reassurance. We all crave those low-maintenance friendships, the ones that don't demand constant attention but offer unwavering support. However, boundaries are crucial. If a friend consistently disregards your needs or pushes past your limits, it's a sign that the relationship may not be serving your best interests. Setting those boundaries, even if uncomfortable, is essential for maintaining your well-being. Oversharing can be another minefield. The desire to confide in close friends is natural, but there's a delicate balance. Venting about relationship issues, for instance, can backfire, creating awkwardness or even disrespecting your partner. Is it better to seek professional guidance from a therapist instead of burdening friends with your problems? It's easy to fall into the trap of taking sides. Friends naturally rally around each other, but oversharing can muddy the waters, making it difficult for friends to maintain neutrality. Remember, there are always multiple perspectives, and friendships should not be weaponized in personal conflicts. Long-term friendships are truly special. There is comfort in sharing history, reminiscing about childhood memories, and having someone who understands the nuances of your past. These deeply rooted connections offer a sense of belonging and unwavering support. Trauma can act as a catalyst, either strengthening or breaking a friendship. Enduring difficult experiences together can forge an unbreakable bond, while differing responses to trauma can reveal underlying weaknesses in the relationship. Sometimes proximity alone isn't enough. Life changes, such as marriage or parenthood, can shift priorities and alter the dynamics of a friendship. Maintaining those connections requires conscious effort and understanding. Building friendships within a business context can be complicated. The power dynamics inherent in employer-employee relationships can strain even the closest bonds. Is it best to keep these spheres separate, prioritizing professional boundaries over personal connections? The loneliness of leadership is real. Business owners often find themselves surrounded by people, yet feeling isolated in their responsibilities. The constant cycle of mentoring and training employees who eventually move on can leave a void in their personal lives. Sometimes, the most unexpected connections blossom from professional interactions. Clients can become confidants, offering support and understanding during challenging times. Shared experiences, such as navigating single motherhood, can forge deep and lasting friendships. Relationships undoubtedly change friendships. Committing to a partner, especially one who becomes your best friend, reshapes priorities. Choosing to prioritize that relationship and set boundaries can be difficult for some friends to accept. Location sharing, a common feature on our phones, sparks debate. Is it a sign of trust or a tool for control? For some, it provides peace of mind and a sense of security, especially in situations where safety is a concern. For others, it feels like an invasion of privacy. The importance of shared values and lifestyles cannot be overstated. Aligning with friends who share your aspirations and support your choices is crucial for personal growth. Sometimes it's necessary to distance yourself from friendships that are no longer serving your best interests. Female competition is a recurring theme in many women's lives. In business particularly, the desire to excel can lead to insecurity and rivalry. It's essential to recognize that others' success doesn't diminish your own, and to focus on collaboration rather than competition. Ultimately, our friends reflect our values and aspirations. They shape our perspectives, influence our decisions, and contribute to our overall well-being. Choosing those relationships wisely is an investment in your future. In the end, the most cherished friendships are those built on mutual respect, genuine support, and shared experiences. These are the connections that weather the storms of life, offering a sense of belonging and unwavering companionship. Nurturing these bonds is an act of self-care, enriching our lives in countless ways and reminding us that we are never truly alone.